Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today we will discuss on how to use the chat GPT to boost your productivity in 2023. So I will give you a few of the examples. So right now I'm in front of the chat GPT website. So all you have to do is click on try chat GPT and it will pop up a new window. In the chat section we will try to understand how we can make. The first one that we're discussing is how to make schedules. So we can try to make basic schedules which the chat GPT will help us in doing so. So I'll type create a schedule for today, 8 hours of work, like this, and you can also add like 8 hours of work day or 2 hours with 2 hours of break, something like that. So I'll add just 8 hours of work and I'll click on enter. So it will take few seconds for ChatGPT to process. So yeah, it's giving me a sample schedule for 8-hour work day. So these are some of the basic examples that you can get from ChatGPT. So it gives you the schedule. So basically this is a basic schedule that you can use to make your day productive, and it also says that please note this is a schedule is only a suggestion. You can adjust it according to your requirements. So you can use ChatGPT and take advantage of this one. And then we'll move on to the we will go to the second one, that is to learn. So we can use ChatGPT to learn new things. For example, if you have something or difficult topics that you are not able to understand, you can use ChatGPT, and rather than going to Google and typing out the question and opening up articles and finding out an answer, you can use ChatGPT where it gives you answer straight away. So for this use case, let me try with NFTs. So I've just typed like explain NFT to me like I'm a 10-year-old. So it will try to explain you the basic things from how you teach a kid. So you can use this chat GPT to learn new things or use understanding difficult topics. So it will give you an answer for that as well. So it's simple. So that's how you can learn. And the next one, will move on to the third point, that is finding tools and resources. So for example, if you have a lot of presentation or assignment that will be coming up and you want to make your assignment easy to finish, so what you can do is you can ask ChatGPT to help you in understanding or to provide tools or free websites that are available that can help you in making your project easier. So I'll type it like suggest me tools and websites that are free where I can create presentations. So ChatGPT will help you in understanding, or it will give you the free websites and tools which you can use to create presentations. So it's as simple as that. So this is a very helpful tool for the students or the corporate workers, where they can use these tools. For example, you can see Google Slides. We use it all the day. Like if you are a student, so Google Slides, PowerPoint Online, get to learn new things. For example, Prezi also, some people don't know about it, but you can use that as well. And Canva, yes, and it gives you a lot of suggestions where you can use these tools and websites which are free already. So it can help you in understanding free tools that are available without no much manual work to go to Google and search for these things. On the list is motivation, obviously. So ChatGPT can help you overcome a bad day, or you can motivate you with the personal suggestions. So for example, if you are demotivated and you have a lot of works left, you can just give the command to ChatGPT, or you can chat with it like a normal human you are having conversation with. So right now I'll just type feeling demotivated and have a lot of tasks, let me know what to do. So let's see what ChatGPT has to say. Left to do. Okay, so it will give you motivational task, or like you can, if you want, you can just type in give me some motivational quotes. It will give you motivational quotes, so you can ask and try a lot of new things with this thing. So I shared a few of the examples to make your day, or day, to make your day more productive. So that's all I wanted to share for this video. You can try a lot of new things, and if you like this video, feel free to comment, like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Have a good day. Bye.